Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, or cryptocurrency, operating without central authority. Bitcoin eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks or governments in financial transactions. Created in 2008 by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was released as open-source software in 2009. The launch of Bitcoin in 2009 marked the beginning of a new era in digital finance. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network of computers, or nodes, utilizing blockchain technology. The blockchain maintains a public ledger of all Bitcoin transactions. A finite supply of 21 million Bitcoins ensures scarcity. New Bitcoins are created through mining, where computers solve complex math problems to validate transactions and secure the network. Bitcoin functions as a store of value, akin to digital gold, and serves as a speculative investment. Bitcoin facilitates peer-to-peer transactions, allowing direct money transfers without intermediaries. Bitcoin is used for remittances, enabling cross-border money transfers. Bitcoin's price, volatility, and transaction fees can limit its practicality for everyday payments. Bitcoin functions as a digital currency, facilitating direct peer-to-peer transactions across the globe. These transactions are recorded on a public digital ledger known as the blockchain. The blockchain is a public ledger, ensuring transparency and immutability of transaction records. Each transaction is verified by a network of users, referred to as nodes, to maintain security. The decentralized nature of the blockchain eliminates the need for traditional banks in transaction processing. Bitcoin mining is the process of creating new Bitcoins and verifying transactions on the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transaction blocks. The first miner to solve the problem adds the next block of transactions to the blockchain. Miners receive new Bitcoins and transaction fees as a reward for adding a block to the blockchain. The Bitcoin mining reward halves approximately every 4 years, a process known as halving. Transaction verification and new Bitcoin creation are the core functions of Bitcoin mining. A Bitcoin wallet is a software or device used to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, offering convenient access but potentially lower security. Cold wallets are offline, providing enhanced security for storing Bitcoin. Each wallet contains a public key, which serves as your Bitcoin address for receiving funds. The private key is your secret password and must never be shared to maintain the security of your Bitcoin. Users begin by creating and verifying a Binance account, starting with the Register button on the homepage. Account registration requires either an email address or a phone number. Identity verification, KYC, involves providing personal details, including name and address. KYC requires uploading a valid form of identification, such as a passport or driver's license, and possibly a selfie or facial recognition scan. After account verification, funding is the next step, offering multiple methods. One method is directly purchasing crypto with a credit or debit card. Users can deposit fiat currency through wallet, fiat and spot, and deposit. Users can select their preferred currency and payment method, such as a bank transfer. P2P, peer-to-peer. Trading is another option, accessible via trade, and then P2P. In P2P trading, users select buy, choose BTC, select a seller, and complete the transaction. Users can acquire Bitcoin through the convert feature by exchanging existing currencies. The spot trading interface offers more control over Bitcoin purchases. A market order executes an immediate Bitcoin purchase at the current market price. A limit order allows users to set a specific price at which to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be stored within the exchange wallet for convenience. Transferring Bitcoin to a hardware wallet enhances security.